Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So for today's video, samahan nyo kami na lumuwas ng Metro Manila kasi mag-staycation kami. Meron kaming imimit na uncle nila Daddy JM. So si Uncle Joe from America. So American si Uncle Joe. At nag-visit siya dito sa Philippines ng 1 week para sa kanyang work. So bago siya umalis bukas ay gusto niya kami ma-meet. So might as well mag-staycation na din kami sa Manila kasi minsan lang naman kami magpunta doon. So ayun, yun lang. Samahan niyo kami later. Papakilala namin kayo sa kanya. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, like, and share The Quintos. And we also have a Facebook page, The Quintos. Please follow us there. So, nag-stop muna kami dito sa Petron kasi wala pa nga pala kaming auto sweep. Meron pa lang kami easy trip, diba? Madalang naman kasi kami magpunta ng Metro Manila. And ngayon lang kami dadaan ng Skyway gamit itong Avanza. So, kailangan namin magpa-install ng auto sweep. So, hopefully, meron dito sa Petron. Bumaba na si Daddy JM para i-check kung meron nga. At eto naman ang dalawa. Natutulog ang magkuya. Dalawa. Yan, magpahinga muna kayo dyan habang nasa biyahe. So, yun lang. Nandito na kami sa Skyway kasi walang auto sweep kanina nung nag-stop doon kami sa Petron. So, hopefully dito makapagpa-install na kami ng auto sweep RFID. Magkano kaya?
Sana 500 lang.
Sana 500 lang. Gising na si Kuya Gia.
Si Josh din.
Ay, gising na din si Josh.
Yung nagmumuni-muni pa siya.
Oo nga, nagmumuni-muni pa. So, sana sumakses kami dito. Ito na, papa-install na kami dito sa Skyway. Yay! Meron na kami auto sweep. May bago na kaming card. Auto sweep. Auto sweep. Okay. Let's go to NAIAX. Hi! We're here na sa Savoy Hotel. So, dito kami nag-check-in kasi malapit lang dito yung hotel na pinag-check-in na ni Uncle Joe. So, pakita namin sa inyo yung room namin. So, ayan. Twin bed yung pinakuha namin kasi baka hindi kami kasya dun sa isa eh. Pinagdalawa na lang namin. And then si Josh, nag-request kami ng crib kasi baka malaglag siya sa bed. Yan. So, ayan. O, tingnan nyo yung aming hotel room. Simple lang kasi isang gabi lang naman kami dito. Hi, Daddy JM! Hi, Gio! Si Josh, nagmi-milk. So, itong Savoy Hotel is very convenient siya kung may ganap ka sa airport dahil ayun lang ang NAIA Terminal 3. O, ayan o, kitang-kita. Ayan o, kita na nga dito yung mga eroplano eh. Tuwan-tuwa nga si Gio kasi nakatsyempo siya kanina lumilipad na airplane. Pa-take off. Ayan. So, rest muna kami dito. Magre-rest muna kami dito. Maya-maya, pupunta na kami ng Newport Mall para i-meet si Uncle Joe. So, samahan nyo kami! See you later! Ay, meron pa?
Wait, palayo na siya.
Palayo na yun. Ayun daw yung airplane. Nakikita nyo ba? Hindi nakita. Ang liit eh.
Malayo na siya eh.
Mamaya, pag nakatsyempo tayo ng airplane, bibidyohan natin. Okay? See you later! Hi! Yay! Higa ka dyan! Higa! 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 Higa!
Daggers!
Higa! Higa!
Daggers!
Si Kuya nanggugulo doon. Wow, Josh. Nakakrib si Josh. Kasi baka malaglag siya sa bed. Hi, nandito na kami sa Newport Mall. And before namin i-meet si Uncle Joe, mag-snacks muna kami sa McDo. Ayan na. Ito si Kuya, ayan. Si Daddy. At si Josh. Yan. Anong kakainin mo, Kuya? Anong kakainin mo?
Wala.
Nag-order si Kuya ng spaghetti tsaka burger. Kaya mo ubusin yan? Pati fries? Tsaka orange juice?
Orange juice.
Ubusin mo yan, ha? Ubusin mo yan, ha? Ang ganda dito. Masyadong maganda yung Newport Mall.
Hindi maganda.
Hindi maganda. Bango-bango nga dito. Sige na, tanin natin, order natin. Gutom na ako. Josh! Hi, Josh! Hi, Josh!
I don't.
Ito na.
Sige sa'yo mo matagal. Mabilis mo.
Ito na yung order namin.
Hindi nilagyan ng
Ganun talaga kasi kakain tayo dito. Ayan, kain na tayo. Kakain na kami. Yummy? Yummy?
Hindi.
Down. 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 Ah. Yeah, dali. We're here sa elevator. Hi, Josh. Kuya. Okay. Bana. Hanap daw tayo ng kakainan. Wow, ganda dito, Gio. Let's go. Wow.
Mami, sa likod ka.
O sige, maglakad kayo.
Ako yung tigan.
Yan. Ang ganda. Ikot tayo. Ikot tayo. Kakaway siya. Yay! Okay. Hi, Kuya. Ano yan? What's that? Yay, Josh! Hi! Sama ko. Hi! Josh! Kuya, sama ka!
Kuya.
Yay! Hi, Nong Nong! Hello! Josh!
Gising pa si John.
Josh!
Natulog lang sa kanyan.
Josh! Kuya!
Sabi ko, walang maingay.
Okay,
Hi na lang. Walang maingay. Hi.
Walang hi.
Hello.
Hi guys! So Uncle Joe is already here.
So, can you say hi to the vlog?
Hello, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
We're going to get an iPad.
Hi guys! Uncle Joe is already here. Say hi to the vlog, Uncle Joe.
Hello, vlog. We're looking for the iStore.
So, how's your stay in the Philippines?
Very productive. I met all my staff, and they're very hardworking, and they all got good bonuses, so they're happy.
Wow!
And I found out that one of my staff has a 25-year-old boyfriend, and she's 71 years old. Another staff member, she flashes her husband when he travels at work.
That's too much information now.
That's TMI.
I know. And I'm here to find a husband for Jenny.
Okay. Actually, we're all finding a husband for her.
Yes. And maybe my two other daughters who need to find husbands too. And I need to find a husband for Mama Kay.
So many agenda. But he's already going back to America tomorrow. But I think he's available to go back
Yes,
when he found the boy.
I will come with Jenny to screen the man.
Hey guys, so ayun na nga. May bibilin daw sa amin si Uncle Joe. Nasaan na sila? Okay, so we're going up. Okay, so sige lang. So, ayan, pumasok siya dito. Bibilan niya kami ng kung ano man. Hulaan nyo.
Sabi ni...
You guys you don't need anything? Serious?
Serious?
That's too much already.
No, I have a lot of money. Whatever iPhone's out, 16?
Uncle Joe, that's too much.
Chill.
Let's chill. Uncle George here.
Josh, I'll give you my phone.
Then you sell your phone and go shopping.
G said, I should give him my old phone.
I like that for my grandson. I wish I could get one of the.
I know the password.
You do? I don't even know what color mine is because I got to cover it. You know why this is good because I have on my motorcycle. This clips on my motorcycle or bicycle, so it doesn't come off.
It's magnetic.
Yeah, then it has this. No, not magnetic. It goes like this. So this is on my motorcycle, so it can stay on. It won't go off on my bicycle or motorcycle.
So, can you guess the title of our next vlog?
Joe goes to the Apple Store.
Uncle Joe bought us 3 iPhones and an iPad. Yeah, I like that. Santa came early. Can you understand our vlog?
Even if it's in Tagalog. Even if it's in Filipino, in a Filipino dialect.
I get enough.
Hi guys, he's our #1 fan in America. Other than Jenny, Mama and Papa.
Sanay na daw siya. Sanay na siya sa atak.
You listen to music?
No.
You listen to music?
Kuya, kami na nahihiya eh. Ikaw ba ko?
My wife, she even has an iPhone. Or no, they watch.
Kuya?
Ano tinatawag? AirPods?
Oo.
Kasi, oo nga kasi kang iPhone. I have
Wait lang. Kuya, kung ikaw yung nasa sitwasyon ko, anong gagawin mo? Siyempre mo.
Ano ko na yung opportunity, sayang naman. Kung minsan lang po yan sa isang... Minsan lang yan, ma'am. Kaya...
Kuya, medyo nahihiya na kami. Maganda ko yung kulay niya sa akin.
This one, sir.
Diba? Maganda.
That's clear.
Maganda yung sa'yo.
Oh, don't you want pink? It goes with your eyes.
I like the color of the phone, so I want to show it.
Okay, then you get clear.
Yeah, that's
Alright.
why I like the clear one.
Ano ba yung sa'yo, ma'am?
Yung desert titanium.
1, 2,
Okay, get one.
Ito, parang...
Ganda, no? Yeah, I'll get the clear one.
Now, do you get the magnetic thing so you can go in the car? It has a mag thing
Oh, yeah.
for magnetic.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Joe, why are you buying us those?
Because Jenny told me to.
Really?
No,
You're so kind.
of course. I love you because I love your videos. They make me laugh.
Really?
Yeah.
So we'll make better videos.
You make now you have your iPhone 16 that takes great photographs.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And you can help me find a husband for Jenny
Okay.
and Mama Kay
Okay.
and Auntie Myrna.
Ate Mirna too?
She needs to find a husband too.
So anong masasabi mo? Binilan ko nga pala ni Uncle Joe ng iPhone. Thank you, Uncle Joe. You're so kind.
You can download games on his iPad.
Yeah.
What's your game?
You say thank you to Uncle Joe.
What game do you like playing?
You say thank you first.
Thank you.
Good little male child. You need to have another kid.
Huh?
Have another kid before you're 40.
No.
Why? Just have one more. 3 is a charm.
2 is too much in the Philippines.
Why? You have a good husband. You got a nice family.
But we don't earn dollars here.
Oh.
That's a different story.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah, because the economy here is not good.
Are you gonna protest tomorrow?
Oh,
Tomorrow's big.
he is our representative.
Good.
Yeah, because we have kids, we can't go there, but we really want to.
Thank you. Mapapasana all ka na lang.
Look at.
Christmas
Hey, we already went through. Look at this. Thank you for your help, my dear. Which one?
Yes.
So, i-unbox na pa.
Kaya
Tapos yan lang, di ba?
yun ang galing sa Kurakot.
Oo nga eh.
Dito galing sa blood control price.
Ay, fully paid.
Nagbabayad yan ng tax. iPhone 16 Pro fully paid.
Tapos iPad fully paid.
Hindi po fully paid.
Okay, so mag-unbox na po tayo ng mga iPhone 16 Pro fully paid. natin. Bakit ikaw magbukas?
Para may excitement.
Bakit may bawas yung apple? Di ba magbuo?
Ano? Ayan na yung ano niya. May kagat. Kapag buo, hindi na ano yun.
Yun yung cut ni Jinggoy.
Ganito na lang para hindi kayo yan.
Baka gusto ni Kuya magkanta.
Eh, sige po.
Yeah. Diba?
Sumam na lang lahat.
Ganito kasi.
Yan yung ibang color.
Ang ganda. Perfect yung clear. Diba?
Sinabi mo ba?
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Diba? Iba talaga yung ganda pag hindi ikaw nagbayad.
Fully paid. Pero hindi sa akin galing.
Oo nga. Kuya, pag ikaw din nag-follow ng vlog namin
Iwan niyo po yun.
So these are the phones.
Papawos na.
Then,
Di ba ganyan-ganyan?
tulungan mo na kami.
Yung ano, tingnan mo kung anong laman.
Yun, tama.
Breaded.
Ayun.
Oo, may laman kasi yan.
Tas,
Eh, kasi wala naman
ganyan ma'am, ganito mo na,
iPhone.
ganito mo na ma'am. Yung mag-hello na siya.
Ay, ano yan? Ano gagawin
Ayan,
ko?
ayan guys. Pakita mo sa ano, sa isa.
Lahat sa isa.
Para makita mo kung talagang brand.
Talagang may kagat.
O tapos, anong gagawin?
Diin mo lang po yung
Hold mo,
power.
hold mo
Ay,
yung
diba?
power.
Kasi wala akong first time ko magka-iPhone. Ano ba yan?
Masanay ka na daw.
Ano lang ako?
Yearly na yan, palit. May post natin ito sa GC, ano, tuwang-tuwa yun sa
So, magpi-FaceTime na tayo lahat.
Dito, mas maganda dito.
Biglang nagka bagong iPhone.
Ayan. Ingay ni Josh. Unboxing. Kasi ako nag-unbox ng kanya. Wow. That's so nice. So yan, currently sineset up na namin. Thank you so much, Uncle Joe. Gia, how's your new iPad?
So, paano siya? Ano gagawin mo dun sa? Ay, hindi ba sa?
Wow! What will you say to Uncle Joe?
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle Joe. You're so kind.
Yeah. Later, Philippines. I'll see you next time I come.
Medyo spicy bro. Medyo spicy. Wait lang.
I love egg.
Yeah, it's like, you know how.
Do you know how to swim?
They have a swimming class at
Practicing,
school.
just practicing.
It's important to learn how to swim. You have a girlfriend yet? No girlfriend?
No girlfriend yet.
Girlfriend, yeah.
Until 18, no.
No, until you're 25.
Philippine standard.
Kain na din.
I think the pizza is in traffic.
What would you order?
I'll just eat whatever is left.
Now, what's that?
That's salty cow.
What is it?
Salty cow. It's beef.
Oh, beef.
Bye! Thanks for watching! Bye!
So Jenny and I come back to the husband.
Hello, good morning. So, nandito kami sa Savoy Hotel for breakfast. So, it's 8:30 in the morning. Medyo late nagising si Kuya Gio, kaya ngayon lang kami nakababa. Medyo marami ng tao dito sa breakfast buffet nila. Pero, meron pa rin kaming nakuha na maganda na spot. So, oo nga no. Ayun si Kuya Gio, kumuha na sila ng food ni Daddy JM. And,
Ba't may fork? Ba't may knife?
ganun talaga.
Bakit
Anong food? Kumuha ka ng food?
walang waffle?
Eh ano? Kanin. Eat rice. Meron silang egg doon.
Meron silang waffle.
Aha. Meron silang egg doon and rice. You want?
No.
Si Josh, nag-breakfast na siya kanina. Nag-milk na siya bago kami bumaba. So, busog na ang aming baby.
Ay na.
Kumakain na sila.
Oo. Meron na ako anak, meron na. Ayun o, ito mo.
Wala.
Hi guys! Ayun, nakapag-check out na kami. Nandito na kami sa Skyway. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na ang aming short staycation sa Savoy Hotel. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, si Kuya Gio nasa likod. Si Josh ay tulog. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. So, napanood nyo naman yung nangyari kagabi, diba? So, medyo nawindang ang Dakintos. Kasi, ang ine-expect namin ay magdi-dinner lang kami with Uncle Joe. Kasi yun lang naman talaga yung usapan. Gusto niya lang kami ma-meet. Gusto niya lang kami makasama mag-dinner. So, kaya kami lumuwas. So, sabi niya gusto niya daw spoil ang kids. So, binilan niya si Gio ng iPad na bago. Okay? So, nagpunta kami dun sa Beyond the Box. Dun sa Newport Mall. Yung Apple Store. Beyond the Box yung pangalan ng distributor. Pero, mga Apple yung binibenta nila. Okay? So, ayun na nga. So, dapat si Gio lang yung bibila ng iPad. Actually, nahihiya na nga kami kasi syempre, iPad yun, no? Ang mahal-mahal nun. Tapos, bibilan niya kami ng iPad. Ano? Ayun na nga. Nachika na ni Gio. Kasi, habang nandun kami, naantay namin yung stock ng iPad. Parang, tinatanong, may tinatanong sa akin si Uncle Joe about iPhone. And then, sabi ko, wala kaming iPhone kasi hindi kami bumibili nun kasi mahal. Totoo naman mahal naman talaga yung iPhone. hindi namin siya priority bilhin sa ngayon. Kumbaga, okay naman kami sa mga Android phones namin. Ever since, hindi pa kami nagka-iPhone, di ba? Oh, parehas kami ni Daddy JM, hindi pa kami nagkaka-iPhone ever since. So, ang ginawa ni Uncle Joe ay, tinawag niya yung salesman, bibili din daw siya ng 3 iPhone. O, di ba? Ang bongga. Not 1, not 2, but 3 iPhones. Tapos, hindi yung, hindi lang yung pinakamababang model kasi may mga available pa yata ng mga iPhone 15 iPhone 16! Syempre, hindi naman 17. Wala pa yung iPhone 17 dito. iPhone 16 Pro yung binili niya sa amin. So, ayun. Grabe. Sobrang shock kami. Hindi namin alam kung totoo ba yung nangyayari kahapon. Naginip ba kami. Pero, pagising namin kaninang umaga, nasa tabi namin yung iPhone. So, totoo siya. So, ano masasabi mo, Daddy JM?
Yun. Kailangan ng mag-iPhone.
Okay. So, thank you so much, Uncle Joe.
Thank you so much,
Uncle
Joe.
Thank you, Uncle Joe. Thank you, Uncle Joe, kasi binigyan mo ng iPhone at iPad ang dakinto. So, sabi niya, lagi niya pinapanood yung vlog namin. So, kaya sabi namin, isasama namin siya sa vlog. At hindi naman namin in-expect na pasabog pala yung gagawin niya sa vlog. So, yun lang. Pauwi na kami. Today is Sunday. Uwian na. Tomorrow, may pasok na naman. Ayun lang. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, like, and share. The Quintos. We also have a Facebook page, The Quintos. Please follow us there. So, yun lang. See you next time. Bye!